Kublaya fi baro sa chisin. Hak ni kapor ngan bu ka jingkali. Ya fi bat yala de. Kaei ka Jingim. Ane dakatin. Pareng abang itib what is life. Teleng ba utay lang no rum hak ni kapor. Unran ba kani ka jingkali ka boong what is life. So the question about today is what is life? Dengan scam perlok mangani mapi ni don kita kedak jingkali nya benbu Kaei ka Jingim. Ka question may ka jingkali akan dikapor kanlong Kaei ka Jingim. What is life? So the solution about today is we live this one routine of a day for 75 years and we call it a life. No, that is not a life. And if you are still thinking why you are having sin here, if you are still juggling with the concept of why you are here, you haven't lived life. You have to work hard and make money. You do it for yourself. That is not a life. You go out. You seek for the people who need your help. You make their life better. You become the sponge which can absorb all negativity. And you become the person who can emit beautiful positive vibe. And when you realize that you have changed someone's life, and because of you, this person did not give up, that is the day when you live your life fully, and you have to accept yourself in the way you are. Be kind yourself. Be kind yourself. I will repeat, be kind yourself, and only then you can be kind to others. Love yourself and spread that love. Life will be hard and there will be the holes, and you should remember that. At the same time, there will be the thrills, and you should remember that. But that will be only make you strong and never give up. Life will be the end of your comfort zone. Fail over and over and over again in your life, and that how you succeed. Life is not easy. Life is not easy. Thank you. And the question about today is half done. So what about the next question? So we have to see it in another day. Thank you for watching.